Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through. I'm going to answer the question that you've been asking, which is, can you transfer money from Zelle to Cash App? And the answer is directly transferring money is not possible because there are two separate payment services that don't allow direct transfers between them. So what you do instead is transfer to your own bank account, that is the account that is linked to your Zelle. Or better still, if you've received money via Zelle, it's likely already in your bank account. You can then add those funds from your bank account to Cash App. Simple as that. For the steps proper, 1. Ensure the funds from Zelle and your bank account. 2. Log into Cash App, navigate to the Add Cash section and link your bank account if not already linked. Then add the funds from your bank account to Cash App. It's as simple as that. But consider the transfer fees from Cash App and the processing time varying on your bank, and it depends on your bank. You need to move funds from Zelle to Cash App using your bank account as an intermediary is a viable workaround. Thanks for watching.